What up, YouTube? I'm Josh with Up Arena. I want to let you know that I'm Big Bird's been pretending to be a grouch. He just tells people go away and all that, and that's not cool. And Big Bird needs to realize that rules are rules, and cannot have everything he wants.
Well, as soon as you go away and leave me alone, what's wrong? Well, if you won't go away, then I will. Excuse me, to go away. Well, I don't want to talk to you. Huh. Who do you think you'd like to talk to? Well, you're wrong. Whoever it is, you can just go away and leave me alone, too. You hear me? Beat it. Oh, no, my best friend just told me to beat it. Oh, this is terrible. He doesn't want to see me. Nothing?
You know what, Big Bird? People ignore you. Oh well, life goes on. Rules are rules, Big Bird. You cannot force people to listen to you. And if you don't like rules, oh well, too freaking bad. Deal with it. Too freaking bad. Rules are rules, Big Bird. But it's not a guarantee to have people to listen to you. It's not, because they have better things to do than listen to you. You know what, Big Bird? Life goes on, and you have to deal with it. So, deal with it, Big Bird. Life's not fair because you don't like being ignored. Get used to it. It is what it is. It's just how it is in life, and you have to deal with it. It is what it is. And Big Bird needs to realize that rules are rules. And Big Bird needs to apologize for being a grouch. But it's but being a grouch does not get people to listen to you. And it's not the life you want to live. There's rules everywhere. And if you don't like it, too bad. People have every right to be busy. Oh well, life goes on, and you have to deal with it. Big Bird, you know what? Get over it. People have other things to do in their life rather than listen to you. They got better things to do, and you can't force them to listen to you. Just let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye.